Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Matt from Fully Charged Guildford here, and today we're going to give you a quick video on how to get some tyre sealant in a tern Orox, but this will work with any valves with non-removable cores. That means you can't take the inside out and put sealant straight into the tube. You have to find another way round, which is what we're going to show you. We found this method because we really struggled to get the tyres actually off the rim of the tern Orox. If any of you have ever tried, you'll understand the struggle. This is why we've been forced to find another way. So hopefully this helps you. If it does, give the video a like. Also, if you have any other video suggestions, just comment down below and we'll see if we can make a video to help support you with that. So all you need is some tubing. This is actually from Pets at Home. It's an airline pump tube. It's pretty flexible, which is nice because it gives you a nice seal around the valve. You've got a syringe, which we've just cut a length of that tubing from, and obviously some tyre sealant. You have to make sure it's shaken very well, just so there's no clumps and lumps, because that's obviously going to block up your syringe. So first thing you want to do is obviously let the tyre down. So once the tyre has been deflated, make sure that the lock nut is all the way wound out. Yep. And then you would put on your hosing with your syringe with your sealant in there, just like that. And then press the syringe and the sealant will fire into the tube. And that's it. And there we go. So we'll take it over to the workbench now, and I'll try and explain what's happening and what could go wrong. So as you can see, that went in absolutely fine. The sealant was passing through the valve. You might have to just pinch just here. You can see that's putting the sealant straight through and into your tyre. Now, one of the difficulties you may have when you start doing this is when you start pushing sealant into the valve, it can encourage this to close itself up, and that's going to stop any sealant going into the valve. So you need to find a way to try and keep that held open. We find if you just pinch it slightly with your fingers, then that's normally enough. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.